Okay, here we go with the Dodge Durango 5.7 liter Hemi Dodge Durango RT all-wheel drive. I'm about to hook it up with a cold air intake and a throttle body spacer. You did? Improve. I don't know, it's debatable, but maybe I gained about 30 horsepower just off that alone. You did? So let me show y'all what it looked like under the hood before I touch anything. Factory resonator and airbox right here. And factory throttle body setup. So spacer going here and the aftermarket joint going here. Alright, as you see, tube on the floor, ratchet set open, intake box right there, throttle body off, engine cover off. Hey man, life's easy thanks to this little power ratchet. You did? Factory airbox right there, coming out. New stuff going on soon. Throttle body spacer on, and it does fit. It does fit. Y'all see them waves in there? Oh boy, this joker finna be taking a lot of pressure. Alright, so it does fit. There's a debate on this notch right here and this notch here. But actually this one has them built in. That's not a screw hole that goes through. It's just for the notch at the top, then another one right there. So you do not, if you get this brand, which I'll link it, but you do not have to shave those little nubs off of your intake manifold. You did? Inquiring minds wanted to know, because on Amazon website it makes it questionable whether it's compatible with this generation of Durango. You did? Okay, as y'all see, the knife had to come out. I did find it best to go ahead and cut at least one of them nubs off. Right, the other one is still here, but just to get that to place on there properly, I had to cut the nub off. We shall see. Okay, throttle body spacer on. Had to work with it a little bit. I did cut the top nub off, left the bottom nub on, but was able to figure out my move to work that in there, beat it on there a little bit. But it's probably best to take both of them off. Next, all right, factory air box, air filter. Okay, that's the bottom part. So this is actually two pieces. I'm gonna try to reuse this piece, which pulls air from the outside. All right, gotta put a little air in the tire. We got dark out here on me. You did? Wrapping up though. Alright, so we got that on with the throttle body spacer right there. Got the pipe on. Oh, that look nice. But going back in here, I don't really think this that cool. I think it should come further over. And I think I prefer to close their box instead. But we finna ride home with this, see how it goes.